2003 Chevy S10 with a 4.3 liter. Really nice truck, bright yellow. This is a California edition, so it's got two cats on it. It wires into a single. And then there's the first cat, then the second cat, and the phone rings again. 2.5-inch pipe all the way into and then what we did is put a wide pipe duals on it, right there. 2.5-inch to 2.25. Then two tailpipes out the back on each side, there and there. It's a really tight squeeze, so you guys gotta take to a muffler shop to get it customized and done right. Into 4-inch tips, right there, as you guys can see. Like always, guys, if you like our work, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And hit that notification bell. Much better. Decibels? Go ahead. 105. Go ahead and back it out. There's the muffler and tailpipe with that was originally on it that we cut off. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. What you hear on this? Chevy S10, straight pipe, 4-inch tips, wide pipe setup. Only got 65,000 miles on it, guys. Really clean, really beautiful. As you guys can see, you can tell from the shine, it's been garage kept too. Awesome. Straight pipe out the back.